The U-shaped layout of the NZ house allows for well-defined zoning on a single floor, grouping living and social spaces on one side and private accommodations on the other, making the leisure and gathering areas the focal point of the home's dynamics. The central garden, where the pool is integrated similarly to natural pools, from the choice of shape to the materials used, reflects the integration with nature. Large glass panels in the social sector have enhanced integration with the pool area and the central and side gardens. Wood, Corten steel, stone, and brick were utilized throughout the construction, committing to a tactile collection of materials to complement the lush vegetation that permeates the gardens and, at times, seems to encroach upon the interior space. In the bedrooms, dark wood floors contribute to serene and tranquil spaces somewhat removed from the appeals of the rest of the house, while public spaces reinforce their commitment to breaking boundaries with the use of wood panels and rustic stone floors that flow seamlessly from inside to outside. In the basement, there is a complete wine cellar, with a living space to entertain guests. On the terrace, there is also a deck where residents can enjoy views of the city. Natural elements permeate every corner of the NZ residence. Materials like bricks, stones, and wood blend with the gardens, making the recreational area the central element of the house.